No bad energy can clog my mind. Not today, don't have the time. Too many bad days, let's celebrate life. We don't live twice. Everybody get on your feet. Move your body, let the beat control you. Raise your hands like your soul is free. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Hey you guys, so today, this week's vlog, I don't know about this week. Today is Saturday, March 7th. Alright, boom, it's March 7th. And I'm going to do my nails. It's 11 o'clock. I need to be done with my nails by 1:30. I'm doing duck nails. I was going to do still square nails just to be quicker, but I do not want to do square nails and I haven't done duck nails in so long, so I'm like, I'm gonna do duck nails. Here I'm showing you guys how I make the duck nails shorter because the nail is very long. So what I do is grab the nail and I just cut it. It doesn't matter how long or short or how much I cut off, I just cut it. Sometimes I try to go in the middle, but it really doesn't matter. Then I put that part on the nail thing so it can stay still. Get me some builder gel, put it on the piece that I cut off, and then I place it on top of the nail. I use the magnets to measure it, then I put it under the UV light to cure it. That's the process that I do before I put the polygel on the nails to make them shorter. And here I am. I'm just going to repeat the steps so you can see how I cut the nails and got the size that I wanted. So I did file the nail with the drill a little bit to make the part where I glue the nail on top a little bit even, a little smoother, before I put the polygel on the nails. Now this tool that I'm using, it actually came with the polygel kit that I have, but no worries, you can just use a regular spatula, nail spatula, or face spatula, whatever flat tool that you have. You can use that as long as you would use it if it came with your polygel kit. Even though I drilled the nails already, shaping is very important after you put the polygel or acrylic on top of your nails. Whatever you use, shaping is very important. I got approved for my medical card today, you guys, and I'm excited. I don't know what day it's going to come in, but when it does, you will know. It's hot as hell in here. We're on the way back to the house now. Now that I'm back at the house, I can start back on the nail. So this is the look that I was going for. You'll see that I did change up the look a little bit. The whole nail design on the ring finger, I changed it up because one, it was getting a little too complicated to get the clouds how I wanted them to look, and two, I just thought that it was just a lot of themes going on. I like when it's a lot of themes going on the nails or different colors, but I do want it to blend and look like it belongs next to each other, or go, you know. So I made that nail look similar to the thumb. So right here, I was going to draw out my own flowers or make my own 3D flowers, but the cutout time, I just used flowers that I already had. So I grabbed some pink polish and I just painted the flowers pink, as you see, just like that. I didn't feel like doing all of that extra steps when it's going to give me the same thing that I want. I forgot to press record to show me getting ready, but I forgot to press record to show me getting ready, but I'm just not realizing I didn't do any ending clip for that. It's like weeks later. What's today? It's March 27th. Yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to stick around and be behind the scenes, check the description box with all of my other links, my other platforms. Yeah, my music is in the description box. It's in the description box. Oh my gosh. All my links is in the box, in the description box. I'm over it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for streaming. Love, hugs, and kisses. See you later.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, this the outro.
For Yeahya.
It's the outro.
For Yeahya.
It's the outro.
For Yeahya.
Subscribe, please, and thank you. It's the outro.
For Yeahya.
It's the outro.
For Yeahya.
It's the outro.
For Yeahya. For Yeahya.